Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with another drawing of the day. I actually just came up with this idea yesterday, and going along with my teacup series of animals, I now have a penguin in a teacup. So I'm gonna get started. I am working with Sharpie on paper, but some of you guys might be working on paper, some might be working on canvas. Either way, it's probably a better idea that you guys start with pencil and eraser just in case you make some mistakes. So to start our penguin in a teacup, we're gonna put kind of like, I do penguins' faces, not like a circle, but kind of like an oval. But you can do a circle, any round shape is fine. So after you have the shape of the penguin's head, we're gonna go ahead and put the penguin's eyes on next. So penguin's eyes, they're kind of like wide spaced. I put them out kind of towards the edges of the face. And then I usually put some sparkles. I'm gonna leave a little sparkle in each eye. And if you wanna get fancy, I know some of my friends like to add little eyelashes. So you can add some little eyelashes if you want. After you have the penguin's eyes on, we're gonna go ahead and do a little frown. I know, it kind of looks like a grumpy jelly bean or something right now, but you start with like a little curve like this in between the eyes, and this is gonna become the beak. We just need to put the letter V, like that, underneath that curve. So now we have the penguin's face, but we need to put on the penguin's hair. So to do the penguin's hair, I'm gonna start over here on this side of the face, right here, and I'm gonna jump over this eye, and then I'm gonna jump over that eye, and that's the penguin's hair. Now, a lot of you guys that paint with me here at the studio and at school know that I love to put little things on top of my animals' heads. So if you wanna put a bow or a party hat or a flower, you guys are more than welcome to add a little extra something. I might just put like a little flower. My example, I had a lot of flowers. I just put like a little flower, maybe with a couple little leaves. That's cute. Okay, so you guys can put something, and I might even put it on a headband. You guys can put anything you want on your penguin's head. Okay, cute. All right, so after we have our penguin's head, we're gonna do two curved lines for the body. So I'm not gonna do like that. I don't want these to be very long because remember, our penguin's gonna be sitting in a teacup. So we're just seeing the top part of the penguin's body. So after you have those two lines, we're actually gonna put another two curved lines inside those because penguins have a little patch of white on their belly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put two more curved lines here inside so that this will be the darker color of the penguin and this will be like the white patch of the belly. So after we have that part done, we are ready for the wings. Now in my example, I like to have my wings out on this one. I just think it's kind of cute how she's like she's sitting in the cup and her arms are up. So her little wings are gonna be like this, up and then swoop down. Other side too, up, swoop down, just like that. So she's got her two wings on, and now we are ready for our teacup. So to start our teacup, I actually want to start it kind of up here a little bit because I'm going to make it look three-dimensional. I'm going to start at this wing, and I'm going to go around, down, across, and around, like that. And I don't know if you can tell on there, but if your lines are not touching the edge of the teacup, just go ahead and bring those down. So all these lines should be touching that cup. So this is the inside of the cup. Now we need to draw the outside of the cup. So the outside of the cup is easy. An outside of a teacup is just a U. So we're gonna draw a big letter U. And then teacups have to have a handle. So it's just like a C shape, like a curve. And then you're gonna do another one inside there so that it looks like a handle. And then you guys can decorate your cup. So make this more interesting. So because she's got a flower in her hair, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some flowers on the cup. It'll kind of tie it together. So you could just like Do with stripes, polka dots, whatever you want. I'm just gonna do like flowers all over. All right, this is super cute. Very spring themed with all the flowers too, which I like. Another thing you guys could do, and I might put just a little peeking flower over there. Oh, maybe one more over here. There. Another thing, I'm just thinking about, another thing that you guys could do is if you wanted to put something in the penguin's wing, you could. So because I've got so many flowers on here, I might actually put like, she's holding a flower. Maybe that might be kind of cute. A little leaf. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so after we have our penguin done and she's sitting in a teacup, we got to put a table on here so it doesn't look like this teacup is falling. So we're going to go ahead and put a line for the table. And then whenever you guys are done with that, the drawing is done unless you wanted to add any extra details. So when I'm painting or drawing penguins, I usually don't make them black and white. I know that's what color they usually are, but I typically go for like brighter colors. So I'm still gonna leave this belly white, and I'm working with colored pencils today. Some of you guys are gonna be painting. Some of you guys might be working with markers or crayons. I'm working with colored pencils. You work with what you got. All right, so I'm gonna leave this patch of the belly white. But see, look I picked like this like bright pinky purple for her body. So it doesn't have to be black. I mean, you can make it like a regular black and white penguin if you want. But if you want to use another color, I'm showing you where to put whatever your dark color is, whether it's black or another color. You're gonna put it on the sides of the body. You're also gonna put it here on the wings. So I'm working kind of fast. You guys can go slower. I'm just trying to show you where the color, the darker color goes when you're making a penguin. All right, the other place that you put this darker color is the hair. And I know this isn't really hair because I think it's like just the top of their heads is like feathers. I don't think penguins have hair, but I always call this the hair. It kind of looks like hair. All right, so this darker color, whichever color you choose, is gonna go up here on top of the head. And then you guys can color the rest. You can color, well, I'm leaving this white. I'm leaving the face white. I do like to do the beak either yellow or orange. It's like, another thing I sometimes like to do on this one, it's super cute. If you want to put little rosy cheeks, sometimes I'll use pink and do some like little rosy cheeks on my penguin like that. Super cute. And then you guys can color the rest of it any way that you want. So you can color like the outside of the cup. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll pick one color for the outside of the cup, but then I'll pick like a different color for the inside of the cup. Like this, so that you can tell that one of them is the inside and one is the outside. Like this. And then I would just keep going with this color, like this, for the rest of it. But I'm gonna let you guys finish these however you want. Get creative, use lots of bright colors. That's our lesson for today. I am still trying to post these every day at 1 p.m. So I hope that you guys will draw and paint with me again tomorrow.